Warning: electrical shock hazard. Disconnect power before servicing. Replace all parts and panels before operating. Failure to do so can result in death or electrical shock.
To defrost your freezer, remove all the contents, including the basket, and unplug the unit. Remove the drain plug. Attach the drain hose adapter. Then attach the drain hose. Place the end of the drain hose into a bucket or allow it to flow into a floor drain. Remove the frost and ice buildup. To help speed up the removal of frost, fill a pan with hot water and set inside the unit, leaving the lid open. After your unit has been defrosted and dried, remove the drain hose and replace the drain cap. Plug the unit in and turn the unit on.
Warning: electrical shock hazard. Plug into a grounded 3-prong outlet. Do not remove ground prong. Do not use an adapter. Do not use an extension cord. Failure to follow these instructions can result in death, fire, or electrical shock. Remember to always refer to your use and care guide.